Hello viewers, Experience Speaks. I start my final leg of the return journey to Delhi from here Gwalior Radisson Blu. My trip meter is 1367, that's the round trip, and the odometer is 3266. First I will be filling up XP95 here in Gwalior, a tank full, and then moving via Agra and Noida Expressway back to South Delhi. So we'll update you once I am in Delhi. The total distance from Gwalior to South Delhi is over 325 kilometers, which as per the Google estimate, it will take about 5 hours 45 minutes. Goodbye. As we exit the Radisson Blu compound and enter the main road called the Sachin Tendulkar Marg. The roads in Gwalior are worth praising. They are wide and well surfaced. We have found one outlet nearby, I think about 700 meters, which dispenses XP95 fuel. This I found out from the Indian Oil One app. I think it's been very handy in this trip. So I strongly recommend that if you fill XP95 only in your car, then you should be having this app handy on your mobile phones. Fuel here in Madhya Pradesh is very expensive as compared to Delhi and Uttar Pradesh. It is Friday, December 10th, 2021, and it's 1 o'clock by my watch. But the traffic in Gwalior is not much, and I was able to enter the Gwalior-Agra highway without any traffic jams or facing any kind of traffic issues. The road between Gwalior and Agra is heavily congested by towns where you find a lot of vehicles or trucks parked along the highway, and this actually reduces your speed to a greater extent. And the worst part is if you are going to take the Noida Expressway, and if you are following Google, then Google will take you through villages. In fact, I have captured these moments on this particular video, and after a short while you will see the kind of road you need to take if you want to join the Noida Expressway. On my onward journey, I took the old Delhi Mathura Agra highway, and but while returning back, I thought let me try the Noida Expressway, and just before Agra there is a right turn which moves through the villages, and in my case Google probably got lost, and it made me come to a dead end, and then I had to ask my way through to the Noida Expressway. I strongly recommend that do not take this Google path, and you should be joining Noida Expressway through the Agra city. Don't take this bypass called NH11 and NH13 bypass, which Google is trying to take you through. This is the right turn, I think about 20 kilometers before Agra, and after having traveled almost about 2.5 hours from Gwalior, this is a very short and narrow road which is built along a nala. This road has heavy truck traffic, and after almost about 6 kilometers, Google suddenly asked me to take a left turn. Although I found it a little fishy, but on taking this left turn, I am going through these village roads, and this village road finally came to a dead end. Then I had to ask a villager the way to Noida Expressway, and he told me that you continue straight. And finally, I was able to join a road under construction. There is some road which is being made to connect Agra with the Noida Expressway. It is called the Agra Ring Road, Agra Inner Ring Road, or something like that. It is called. So you can see the kind of buffaloes and the village road and the village life which I was able to capture while attempting to join the Noida Expressway. It is 3:30 in the afternoon, although it's broad daylight. But in case you're traveling in the evening or late night, I don't think so. This is a safe area to go through, which is why I strongly recommend that do not follow Google until this connection is made, and move through the main Agra city to join the. Google made me take plenty of left and right turns till I reached the dead end.
करके तो हम कहीं और पहुंच जाएंगे अब कहीं राइट ले आइए कहीं गलत तो है नहीं राइट अब हाँ
In 200 meters, turn left.
ये कहाँ ले आइए उधर तो रास्ता ही नहीं है देखते हैं आगे जाके पूछ लो किसी से ये तो कोई है ही नहीं रास्ता वो गाड़ी जा रही है ना पीछे ये सफेद वाली वो पीछे वो गई नहीं सफेद वो कहाँ से गई है यहाँ से गोल घूम के पंछी बेटा जहाँ बना हुआ है अभी एक्सप्रेस से आ गया और कहीं गलत देख ली बहुत गंदा गलत लेकर गई है इसकी ना बेटा ही करो तुम जाके
In 600 meters, turn left toward Agra, Road, Fatehabad Road.
ये अब चढ़ गया ना ऊपर ये देखो ये एक्चुअली बनी नहीं है सड़क ये पूरी
In 300 meters, turn right to continue toward Inner Ring Road, Taj Express Highway.
दुनिया कहाँ से जा रही है ये रास्ता थोड़ा है दुनिया का वो भी तो गूगल ही देखते हैं लोग बात भी क्या देखते हैं यहाँ पर भी अपनी गलती खाई
Keep right.
After finding way through by the truckers, I finally reached the first Agra toll, which will connect me to Noida Expressway. I would say that Noida Expressway journey was pretty good. There are plenty of pit stops after every toll plaza to keep you comfortable. Finally, on DND, after having traveled for almost about 5.5 hours and met with heavy office traffic and a jam.
It's 6:30 December 10th 2021 being I think weekend the traffic is a little more सो गया क्या हो गया इसको क्या हो गया स्लीपिंग इस बैन वाला just about to complete the last leg of the return journey from Indore to Delhi and the distance of 342 kilometers from Gwalior we have just completed. I am at the turning of Panchshiri in South Delhi. The overall journey was good and but for the connecting road from the Gwalior Agra highway to the Yamuna Expressway or the Taj Expressway is still under construction, and Google actually misleads into villages and comes to a dead end. So my suggestion, don't follow Google, and till this road is completed, this connecting road is completed, you avoid it and go via the Agra city, or you take the Agra bypass, which will take you to Mathura. Reached back Delhi home, sweet home, after a round trip of 1710 kilometers at 7:20 p.m. The average fuel consumption from Gwalior to Delhi is 17.4, and the trip meter is 342 kilometers. Average speed is 54. Har Har Mahadev, Jai Mahakal.
There are 6 toll plazas between Gwalior and Delhi, out of which 2 are between Gwalior and Noida Expressway, and 4 are on the Noida Expressway. A total of 605 rupees was paid towards the toll. Tolls on Noida Expressway accept both cash and FASTag. Only first 2 lanes are earmarked for FASTag, so be very careful there.